guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how I create my version of the clean makeup, which is around the internet. And there are two different variations of the clean makeup. One is that using products that are called clean beauty, which are less in chemical, categorized as clean brand in Sephora. But this is a makeup look which is going around called clean makeup look, because this is very minimal, no makeup look. So this is my version of it. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So first things first, let me apply some moisturizer. I'm gonna use my Embryolise moisturizer. As you see, my skin is a little bit too dry and I want to really hydrate it before I apply my foundation. Since it's a no makeup look, I want my foundation to look very seamless. For that we need a lot of hydration. So I'm gonna move on with this Embryolise moisturizer. And for my lips, I'm gonna use this Too Faced Hangover lip balm. It's very cooling and you know, a minty lip balm. I'm gonna apply it now so that by the time I apply my lipstick, it's gonna be really hydrated and lips are gonna be a little supple. I can probably skip a primer, but I'm gonna use it here so that my foundation really sticks to my skin, because I really want the foundation to melt into my skin and make it look really clean and, you know, very smooth looking. So I'm gonna use this Too Faced Plump and Prime primer. This is a serum with a primer. For a clean makeup look, we need to have foundations and concealer that is very close to your skin tone, and you have to make sure that it matches. It is your best matching color you can, you know, closest find to your skin. I'm gonna use this Estée Lauder Double Wear Concealer in the shade Deep Warm. This is very close to my skin tone in the concealers I own. I'm gonna apply concealer to conceal few of my hyperpigmentations and dark circles, and then go on with my foundation. I'm gonna move on to my foundation. I'm gonna use the Estée Lauder Double Wear foundation in the shade Cinnamon. This is very close to my skin tone, and I'm taking a very little amount of the foundation, and I'm just gonna take it with my foundation brush and start blending it. My face is fully done. It looks really hydrated and very natural and skin-like. If you can see closer, it looks really skin-like, and my natural skin oils are peeking through, so it's gonna give you that no foundation look. Now let's move on to the powdering part, which is very crucial for this look. I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless powder in the shade 3 Tan. Very crucial where you're applying your powder. Load your brush with powder and just apply wherever you tend to get too greasy, and wherever you feel your face is gonna be a little bit more shinier throughout the day. I thought of applying my cream highlighter from Charlotte Tilbury, but as you see, it's very dewy and hydrated, so I'm very happy with the look it already is. And this is not gonna move because the foundation which I used is budge proof. I'm gonna use my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 5. I'm gonna comb through my eyebrows and just give it tiny strokes to just fill in the sparse areas. So you have to make sure your eyebrow is really natural and fill in only where you think you need a little bit of color. I'm very careful when I come towards the inner corners, and then I'm just brushing off whatever I've applied so that it disperses really well among the eyebrows. Otherwise, you know, you won't know where you filled and where you've not. I'm gonna add a little bit of bronzer here. I'm gonna use my Too Faced Dark Soliel bronzer. This is a very natural looking bronzer for me. And for blush, I want to keep it very peachy and natural looking, because I feel for my skin tone, a peachy blush would, you know, complement my skin tone really well. I'm gonna use this Milani Spiced. And now for the lips, I'm gonna blot off my lip balm and then apply a very neutral lips. I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild Catsuit lipstick in the shade Gimme Mocha. This is one beautiful shade for anybody. It's like a My Lip but better kind of a lipstick. Set this makeup, I'm gonna use the Smashbox finishing spray. I forgot a little bit of mascara here to just waken up my eyes because otherwise I look sleepy. Hope you'll enjoy this video. Meet you in another one. Bye guys!